Welcome to AamirzTwoCents. In this video, we are going to talk about spouse visa for students. So think about a situation where I'm a student and I want to come to America on F1, that's a student visa, and I want to do my master degree. And I am a married person and I have two kids. Now, what visa my wife and my kids will get? So first of all, when you will apply for your admission in the university, you are going to get the I-20, and you are also going to let them know like your wife and your two kids will be joining you. So they will be mentioning that on the I-20. And also, as you are bringing your wife and kids to America, there will be some extra expenses you have to bear. So for each of the person, pretty much when I applied, it was around $5,000 per person. So if you're bringing your wife and two kids, it's going to be another $15,000 you need to show in the bank or bank in the bank statement when you are applying for your interview. So when the visa officer is going to take a look, he's going to say, okay, he's going to approve if you qualify and he likes you and all those kind of things. He's going to approve your F1 visa, that's a student visa, and he's going to give a F2 visa that to your wife, and he's going to give a F2 visa for your children as well. I have seen a lot of cases. It's not that it's not a problem if you have enough money. I mean, it's a great thing to apply for your for your spouse and kids right away, but there are some negativity or negative points about it. If you will apply only for yourself and leave your spouse and kids in Pakistan or India, wherever you are applying from, what happened, that could be a positive point, like, okay, I'm leaving my family here, I'm just going to America to finish my master degree and come back. And what you do once you get your F1 and then come to America and apply for your spouse and kids after one semester. So at that time, then it's not going to be a big issue. You are already here, you are doing studies, and go ahead and apply for your spouse and your kids. Your wife, you're going to go to the university, get the I-20 for your wife and kids, send them, and they will be applying for visa interview, and they will go to embassy. They have to show the financial statement, and then the visa officer will approve their visa. I have seen this example with a lot of friends. Most of the times I have seen friends who applied for their student visa, first came here, finished their first semester, and then applied for their spouse and kids. So that's called F2 visa. On F2 visa, your wife or your spouse is not going to study full time. So if she comes to the school or he comes to school, I'm talking about your spouse, they can take some courses, like 1 or 2 courses, some short courses and all that, but they will not be able to complete their degree programs here. But if they want to study later, they can always get admission as a full time and then apply for F1 visa. So now you will be on F1 visa as well, and then your spouse will be also on F1 visa. So this is a little information. Some students say if they want to bring their family and kids, they say absolutely okay, but just plan it. If you have solid financial documents, it is okay. I have seen approvals on the first attempt with family, and I have also seen approvals. First the student come and then they apply for their spouse and children later, and they join them here in America. So thanks very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.